Hello, I'm Tom True. I'm the inventor and owner of Rooftop Blox. This is our model RTB01. I'm going to explain to you the user-friendly features and benefits of this unique rooftop mechanical and plumbing and piping support system. Contractors have installed hundreds of thousands of the Rooftop Blox products without a single complaint or return. This is due to its proprietary design, allowing for quick, easy, and professional installations. The Rooftop Blox is manufactured from high-strength, UV-resistant polypropylene copolymer. The base platform foam is 25 pounds per square inch density closed-cell structural foam. It is faced with a metallic polyfilm skin. The RTB design incorporates engineered internal and external rib structures, which allow for weight loads of up to 250 pounds on a single point, or up to 350 pounds using our STR04 slotted strut to spread the load out. The RTB is rated for temperatures of up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The top of the RTB has many inherent design features to facilitate a fast, durable installation. Notice on the top surface it has a feature we call piping saddles to help position, organize, and mount multiple pipes. It has screw starter indents on the top to help guide the fastening screws into the proper internal structures, guaranteeing maximum hold power. It has an onboard galvanized clamping strap for quickly fastening up to 2.5-inch pipe. You simply bend the perforated strap over the pipe and drive two number 10 sheet metal screws into the indents to secure the pipe. Another pipe mounting option is to use common U-straps. It could be purchased at any distributor. And there as well, you put the screws into the indents to hold the pipe into place. The top of the RTB is also designed to accept and align our STR04 slotted strut. Simply position the strut on the RTB and drive three number 10 sheet metal screws with 1/4-inch washers into the indents at the end of the strut to mount the strut on the block. Then clamp the piping down using any strut clamp. The RTB can be extended lengthwise by engaging the ends together with the molded-in interlocking feature, creating a base that is 2 or 3 blocks wide. Or you can create a bridge structure using strut, tying 2 blocks together using a length of strut, mounting the strut using the screws, as I previously demonstrated, to hold the strut into place. For elevating piping on the RTB, a few different options are available. Some areas require a 6-inch space between the roof surface and the bottom of the pipe surface. In that case, you use our XTB02 height extender. Simply use the 2 screws that are mounted in the bottom of the product by inserting them into the screw holes in the top of the Blox, the XTB, and screwing it into position. The top of the XTB has the same piping saddles and screw starter indents to mount piping on the same way you would mount it on the Blox itself. Or you may choose to mount 1 5/8" square strut to the top of the Blox to meet this same 6-inch height requirement. Another method to elevate piping on the RTB is to use our RODO3 1/2-inch threaded rod kits. This is accomplished by using the engineered rod ports and nut slots that are molded into the product. The RTB accepts either 3/8 or 1/2-inch threaded rod. Simply slide the nuts into the nut slots add the washers and make your rods up into the block a minimum of 1 inch but up to 3 inches in depth. This allows the contractor adjustability in his piping arrangement. Once your rods are set to the correct elevation, you simply add your XTB02 onto the rods, make up the nuts, and then lock your lock nuts into position. With this threaded rod method, you can either use the XTB02 or you can use our STR04 strut to accomplish the same thing, hereby allowing you to use your strut clamps. Or you can use this method to install rollers elevated, either our ROL 05, which would be for 1 to 3 inch pipe, or our ROL 06 for 4 to 6 inch pipe. Or the other option that you have is to use a 3/8 rod and install split ring hangers for multiple pipes at different elevations. We recommend that the piping never be installed higher than 14 inches to the top of the pipe. Obviously, it's always best to keep everything as low as possible for best stability. Where significant piping expansion and contraction occurs on long piping runs, install either an oversized U-clamp allowing the pipe to slide on top of the block, or use our ROL 05 roller, either mounted directly on the block as a single unit or mounted two to a block using 3/8 bolts to attach. Or you can mount both of these elevated on threaded rod. Your other option for larger pipe is to use our ROL06, either mounted directly on the block or elevated on rods to get to the correct height you need. This allows the piping to be installed without tension. We recommend the RTB to be spaced every 7 feet along the piping. Once the rooftop blocks are installed and in their final positions, it is best to permanently secure it into place using the SCB-07 securing brackets. These brackets eliminate the piping or mechanical system from shifting due to the forces of vibration, wind, rain, and snow loads. The SCB-07 is adhered into place using our ADH12 M1 adhesive. Simply apply a bead to the bottom of the bracket, then clip the bracket onto the studs and glue it into place. Obviously, do it to both sides. The ADH12 adhesive bonds excellent to all roofing materials. Always confirm the adhesive is compatible with the roofing membrane. The rooftop blocks are bundled in conveniently designed 8-packs, so the wholesaler can easily warehouse, handle, and display the product. The contractors can easily tote the blocks to the job site and quickly dispense the RTB into their installation positions. We guarantee you will be 100% satisfied with our Rooftop Blox products. For more detailed information, please visit our website at www.rooftopblox.com.